video will demonstrate how to upload an existing video into Blackboard using the Blackboard Video Studio tool, so captions are automatically added, and how to quickly review and edit those captions. We've been hearing a lot of questions lately about using existing course videos and the accessibility concerns. And if your videos are still accurate, you won't need to recreate them. So I'm here in a test course and I'm going to demonstrate how we go about uploading those existing videos. Instead of going to the upload option and uploading the videos directly, what we're going to do instead is we're going to scroll down and choose Record Audio Video. This function uses the built-in Blackboard Video Studio tool. Now, if you wanted to use the built-in tool, you would choose from one of the purple buttons at the top. If you've got an existing video that is still accurate and you'd like to reuse it, you can select Upload from Device by clicking the button at the bottom. Navigate to your video, select it and click Open, and then you'll wait for that video to upload and to process. Depending on the length of your video, this could take a little bit of time. But once it's finished, you'll go ahead and click Save Video, and then you'll come back a little bit later so you can see the auto captions and then go in and make changes to those via the transcript. While the captions are being processed, you can also come in and edit the name of your video and add a description and so forth right from your course content. To do so, you'll go ahead and click the ellipses to the right side of that video content you've just added, and then you're going to click Edit. And then here I can click at the top and change the name, so give it a meaningful name. Then you can scroll down, you can add a short description so it will show under that video label right on your course content page. Click Save. So you'll see now the video has a meaningful name with a description underneath that. And then once the video captions have processed, you'll come back in. And again, I'm going to click the ellipses and go to Edit. And you can see the transcript that's processed, or you can just click where it says Edit Video to go in and change it. I'm going to go ahead and open that to show you. So you'll see it just says speaker and what I've said throughout the video. And I did have the ability to click on Download to download that transcript as well. Here, if I click Edit Video, I've got a few options here. I can change the title of the video here and add a description as well. I can also choose the transcript button on the left, and this allows me to make changes directly to the transcript. So I'm going to click that little pencil icon and I can just change this to say whoever the speaker's name is. And if it captured anything wrong, I can edit those captions as well. And I can change all of those speaker entries. So if it's yourself, what's nice is if you've got an interview or something, it'll differentiate between the speakers as well. So you can go through and just make sure that it looks correct and it's accurate. I noticed when I was recording mine, there were a few places where I must have stumbled a little on my words, and so there were some typos and I had to make some corrections. This is a somewhat lengthy video, so I think it's about 15 minutes. But it does a pretty good job, and it needed very minimal changes in my experience. You'll see there's a few ums and things, but it doesn't need to be perfection when you're recording a screencast, so as long as your transcript is accurate, that's the most important point. I can add knowledge checks into it, which is a little quiz and so forth, and then I can also look at analytics later on. But the basics is where the title is, so using Blackboard Ally. Save video. And then once you have updated the transcript, everything looks good to go. When you're ready, you can then change the visibility of the video and make it visible, or you can set release conditions if you wanted to only make it available on certain dates, etc. And then click Save. And so now if I come into the course as a student using Student Preview, you'll see this little video with the icon that indicates it's a video. If I click the video, once I scroll down and click play, you'll notice there are captions across the bottom. I also have the ability to access the full transcript on the right-hand side, so it'll scroll as the video goes. And students also have the ability to download the transcript if needed. So this is a quick way to keep using your existing videos while also improving accessibility for your students.